Your stomach isn't growling because it's hungry. It's growling because it's cleaning itself. Between meals, your digestive system runs a cleaning cycle. Muscles contract in waves, pushing leftover food particles, bacteria, and gas through your intestines. Those waves squeeze air through narrow spaces. That's the growl. It happens when you're hungry and when you're full. You just notice it more in quiet rooms because your brain has nothing else to focus on. Your stomach is doing it right now. You just can't hear it yet.